This right here is the only thing that survived the celery wars. You know what we're gonna do to it? Oh yes, we're gonna do it to it. We're gonna run tests on it. We're gonna run experiments on it. We're gonna run experiments on it. Yes, we're gonna run tests on it. And incoming is a special announcement by Daniel Webster IV 2.0.
What?
So obviously he didn't know what he was talking about. Oh, here's my equation board. If you're impressed, my name is Daniel. Anyway, what happens is that when the celery is placed in the water, it absorbs that water, and we can see the blue food coloring in that water within the celery. So we're gonna prove that celery is a plant too. This is what I was waiting 6 minutes, 30 seconds, and 0.1 second for. This right here. Hi.
Okay.
3 hours later.
And a new message from Daniel Webster IV 3.0. Before I tell you what happens, I have to tell you about IHateClowns.com. Link is in the description. If you don't like clowns and if you want some awesome t-shirts for very low of the price for usually t-shirts, or even keychains or anniversary stickers, and if you have a fear of clowns or just don't like clowns in general, click the link down in my description. Check out their stuff, their merch, IHateClowns.com. Now, enough talking. Let's get straight to the video. Alright, we have the celery. Let's take a look at it. Come here. Yeah. Yo, come here. Let's look at the celery. Come on. So as you can see, we have the celery right here. Look at this. We have parts of it turning blue because of the blue coloring in the water. And look, you can see all the little points where the water came up through here, traveled up the celery, and came into these little points. Now, with this food coloring, you can see exactly where the celery is, and we have washed it, dried it a little bit. This isn't just, water on it. This is actually water you can see inside the celery. But when you devein the celery, you can't really see this food coloring inside. So that's the celery experiment. Watch the last podcast episode for this video. Hope you enjoy. Like if you like these kind of experiments, and I'll see you next time.